Hello students, in this video I'll teach you surface area, volume and capacity. So first you have to understand what do you mean by volume. The space occupied by a body or solid is called its volume. Okay, that means the space occupied by the box is called its volume. What do you mean by capacity? The capacity of a container is its internal volume. So whatever internal volume the box has, it is called the capacity. What do you mean by surface area? The sum of areas of all the faces of a body is called its surface area. So how many faces it has? Six faces. If you add all the area of all the faces, you will get surface area, total surface area of the box. Now there are different type of figures in this chapter you'll get. So first is cuboid. What do you mean by cuboid? A cuboid is a solid bounded by six rectangle faces. That means it has six rectangle faces. Now volume of a cuboid. What do you mean by volume of a cuboid? Volume of a cuboid, this is a formula, length into breadth into height. So whatever length it has, breadth is which one? Breadth is this one and height is this one. So if you multiply length into breadth into height, you will get the volume of the cuboid. And what do you mean by total surface area of a cuboid? Total surface area of a cuboid means if sum of all the surface areas. So how many surface it has? It has six surface and all are having rectangle. So if you multiply L into B, you will get the area of this rectangle. So how many rectangle we have this kind? Two rectangles because of one over here, another is opposite to this. So 2 into L into B is the total area of this surface, shaded surface, this one and this one. Similarly, you will get surface area this one and this part. So 2 into breadth into height. Similarly, you will get surface area of this and down one, up one and down one. So overall, what is the formula? 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So 2 into L into B, length into breadth, plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this is the total surface area of cuboid. Now what do you mean by cube? A cube is a rectangular solid whose each face is a square. So in case of cube, you will get length equals to breadth equals to height. Okay. So what should be the volume? Volume equals to, in case of cuboid, length into breadth into height is the volume. But in case of cube, you will get all length, breadth, height equal. That means length equals to breadth. Instead of B, you can write L. Instead of H, you can write L. So L cube. L cube means side cube. Okay. So side cube or A cube or its edge cube is the volume of cube. Now what do you mean by total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube means sum of all the areas of the given cube. So what is the total surface area? So what is the formula? 6 into a squared. 6 into a squared. Okay. So if you multiply 6 with h, e, h squared, you will get the total surface area of a cube. So in this video I have discussed about volume and total surface area of a cuboid and cube. So you have to remember all these formulas. These formulas are very important. So after watching this video, write in your copy volume equals to L into B into H of a cuboid, and total surface area of a cuboid equals to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, and in case of cube, what is the volume? H cube or side cube, and what is the total surface area? 6 into A square or 6 into H square. Okay, thank you all. In next video I'll do few sums. Okay, thank you.